Hey, what's up everybody, your favorite chef is here. You're watching Clam's Cook channel and today we are making oatmeal breakfast. And let's go forward on the recipe. So first thing that you need to do is take your oats and put in a pot half cup of oats or 110 grams, it will be enough. Then you're gonna add water, triple size of oats or 360 milliliters. Next step, grab your pot, put on medium-high heat, stir occasionally, and follow the steps that I'm doing. I can't explain to you when is the right time for something to add, but you will get feel after a few times how and when to do it. Our goal here is to these oats grab all the water from pot by cooking and also stirring and also adding our ingredients. So you're gonna grab a few dates if you have dates. If you don't have it, screw it. You can add, I don't know, chocolate, not chocolate, but something healthy. But anyway, if you have healthy chocolate, you can. We're gonna add protein powder. You can use cocoa powder, but it's not dependent of the taste what you want. If you add cocoa powder or protein powder, it's still a powder. It will also take some water from that. So when you finish that, these oats grab all the water, it's done. You can transform to your favorite bowl that you like to eat, and then you can add your favorite fruit. I add raspberries, you can add blueberries, you can add banana, even chocolate. I don't know why I'm talking about chocolate. You know what I mean. And that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Hope guys that you enjoy. Press that button, subscribe. See you in the next video.